we do here is go back.
Yeah, it's rolling. Good morning, YouTube. This is TR, all the way from Hyderabad, especially for you guys. How are you all? Hope all are doing well. Thank you guys. Thanks a lot for your lovely support, for your lovely wishes towards on my channel. 1,000 subscribers, man. 1,000 subscribers. It's not a small thing. You people will think that just for 1,000 subscribers he is exciting a lot, but you can ask a new YouTuber what is the strength or what is the big deal of this 1,000 subscribers. According to me, 1,000 subscribers means it's very big thing for me. Very big thing. And of course, today's ride is I am doing ride up to a pyramid, Maheshwara Dhyana Pyramid, Kartal. Yes, Kartal village is situated in Mahbub Nagar district. This pyramid is, I think, this was built in 2012. I think, I am not sure, but it built in 2012. And I searched in YouTube about this pyramid, but I didn't find any good video about this pyramid. Of course, there are videos, but no one has did any motor vlogger till now didn't do ride to the pyramid. So on the occasion of 1,000 subscribers, I wanted to do ride to this pyramid. That's why I'm going to the pyramid, and I'll show you how is the pyramid, and I'll just explore that particular place. I found a video that one motor vlogger did recently. I think Vijay Kumar Kuntumalla, he did a ride to pyramid. After him, I am the person who is riding towards Kartal Mahapyramid, Maheshwara Dhyana Pyramid. So guys, please don't go anywhere. Sit back, relax, and join with me. Let's go. So guys, top up done. Let's bank the road. So guys, I think this Kartal pyramid is about around 50 to 55 kilometers from LB Nagar. I am not sure, but it is around 50 to 55 kilometers from LB Nagar. Up 55, down 55. That means a total 110 kilometers ride. Yeah. So whomsoever want to come by car, they can come over here, outer ring road, Tukuguda outer ring road. You can get down from the outer ring road from here, Tukuguda. Then you have to take Srisailam road. I'll have some tea now. I don't know. I think so far I did 20 kilometers. I don't know. I'm not sure. Maybe 20 kilometers. So guys, I just had my tea and starting towards pyramid. So guys, this is Kandukuru village. From here I think I have to go 15 kilometers more to reach Kartal pyramid. So stay with me. So guys, this is Kartal village. I think from here we have to take left side somewhere. Yeah, here we have to take this left. Look at the command. Maheshwara Maha Pyramid, Kartal. We'll find this command and take right from here. Maheshwara Maha Pyramid. Yes. So guys, I think I'm not sure. Camera is not allowed inside. I think, yeah, camera is not allowed inside, but I try to get some footage with my mobile, because the pyramid is not for not just an excursion type of spot, or it is not a holiday spot. The particular pyramid is specially known for doing yoga. Not yoga, you doing meditation. There is a pyramid. Now I hope you can see clearly. There is some construction work is going on, I think. They are not allowing four-wheelers. This is what pyramid, guys.
What we do here is go back.
I hope you can see, guys. I'm not sure. It is so too scary, man. Too scary. Oh my god. I can't see anything. Now look the view. And now I will go there. I'll do some meditation. So guys, this is what Maheshwara Maha Dhyana Pyramid, Kartal. Over there, there. I hope you can see. There is a small pyramid. Maybe there. Yeah, you can see it. There is a small pyramid. I'll try to go there. So guys, this is what Maheshwara Mahadhyana Pyramid Kartal. This is what I wanted to show you on 1000 subscribers special. Now I am returning to my home. So guys, please don't forget to hit thumbs up if you like the video. It is very very appreciable. एक like तो बनता है ना यार. So as always, ride safe, take care. Hasta la vista. Love you guys. Thanks a lot.